Okay, I spray painted the hubcaps on my Honda Civic. This is what it looks like now. Looks pretty good. This is what it did look like. Hope you can see all that peeling and chipping on there. So what I did was I sanded it down. Then I used a Mr. Clean pad to degrease it. And I bought some of this Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover paint and primer. It's a paint primer together. It's got a picture of a little mailbox on there. I put that on. It's a pretty decent color. It's kind of in the grayish color, which is what it was. Now some people wash the rims before they sand them. That makes no sense to me, because you're going to have to wipe all that sand dust off anyway. But, you know, do it whatever way you want. There's plenty of videos on here about it. Just thought I'd show you mine. Thanks a lot for watching.